Today, I want to talk to you about the Teta interface and some important basics. The interface is the first thing you'll see when accessing your project. Looking towards our left, we can find the bar which contains the various menus. This icon allows us to access the submenu dedicated to the pages and components, which are very simple to create. All you have to do is click on New Page or New Component. Meanwhile, the three dots will allow you to rename or cancel a page or a component. The required authentication only lets the registered users access our application. Moving on, the next two icons represent the design system, where you will be able to choose a color palette for your project, the typography, assets as well in the future, and database integration. In Teta, Supabase is used for the backend. Speaking of which, a video on how to integrate Supabase in Teta has already been uploaded. You can find it clicking here, in the description box, or on the top right. Now, the central part is Teta's actual core, where we will add all of our widgets. We can move in all four directions with our mouse, while the mouse's scroll wheel allows us to zoom in and zoom out. As previous videos have explained, when accessing the scaffold, we can activate the app bar, the bottom bar, and the drawer. We can also add the parameters and the overall page's status, all of which can be found in the right sidebar, where we can see and change all of the parameters of each widget. For instance, in a given container, we are able to see the margin, the padding, its dimensions, and its color. Therefore, by modifying the color, we would be changing the background of the page. This is because the container is a direct child of the scaffold. Another important element of Teta can be found here on the top right. This is the play button, which will allow us to actually view our app and share it, thanks to a simple link. The last button on the left makes it possible to see and export the Flutter code. Teta exports the whole Flutter folder both for iOS and Android. Hey, you still there? If you are, thanks for having watched our video. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!